We start with this febrile recovery, is how I would put it to you. Have a look at this. Anybody that's got a Bloomberg out there can have a look at the chart. 44.29. It is the RSI, is the relative strength indicators. Yes, you can all hop on your IB now and tell me it's a vintage metric and you don't put any store in it. Oversold is the message that's coming through. The S&P 500, MSCI World, Nikkei 225. Is the great vol trade unwind undone? We understand from one of our regular guests it was $2 trillion bet against short volatility. Done, dusted, washed through? What do you think?
Look at where we've come from. I mean, you say in oversold territory now, but we came right up there from overbought, arguably, in quite a stretched market. So our sense is that the vol aspect of the technical unwind is predominantly complete. But that's not to say that we can't still see further volatility in markets, because obviously there has been a lot of ETF inflows into equities, specifically in the second half of January, and we still don't know the knock-on impact to more momentum, algorithmic style trading, which obviously features more and more in markets these days. That's not to say that we're overtly cautious on markets. It's important in these times to focus on the fundamentals, and the fundamentals really haven't changed.
So you haven't changed your view through this route. Where do you stand on global equities then? Where are you buying? Where do you see the opportunities if you're ready to dip those toes in cautiously?
Absolutely. So we have not changed our views. We're still looking for good returns from global equities, not quite as high as in 2017, but still around the mid-teens level from all major regions, actually, with slightly different drivers. So what we're focused on is businesses that are reporting healthy profits that have been sold off indiscriminately in sectors like banks that actually benefit from greater inflation, higher bond yields, and particularly steeper curves, and also sectors like technology, which we've liked for an awfully long time at the private bank. Clients constantly say, when do we sell this sector? You know, it's done so very well, but actually when you screen now on valuation, it's looking cheap relative to
and we spoke to the ABN AMRO CFO,
yeah,
didn't we? He was saying he would welcome some higher interest rates, to your point on the financial services.